Every time I pray for better days, every day feel it coming on the way. Gotta step on every pace, and no matter what it takes. Stop pushing when I got belonging in you too. Haters gonna hate. Hi YouTube, this is your girl, Nubian Princess. So, right now it is 3:17. Hopefully you guys can see it. 3:17 a.m. And I don't know what it is, but like, I've washed my hair, but there's this smell that is like really bothering me. So I don't know what to do because I'm really thinking about washing my hair again. But for now, what I would like to do is go in here and just check on my locks and fix the ones that are thin. Yeah, so I just wanted to basically show you guys how I check my locks. My last video that I did, I told you guys that most of my hair, like 90%, I even want to say 95% of my hair is locked. So I'm very happy about that. There's this lock right here that's like, it's thin right here and it's really bothering me. So I think I might take this lock sprinkles out and fill that in because I don't want to lose that lock. So anyways, I was telling you guys that 95% of my hair has locked, so I'm definitely happy about that. I haven't got a retwist done in forever, and so it is what it is because I don't mind moving around like this. I just wanted to let my hair just, you know, rest for a little bit. So for me to check my hair, I have my extra hair. This is a color 1B. I have to be careful because sometimes this hair has lint in there. So I want to be careful with that. As you can see, I'm almost done using it. There was a lot more hair. I really like this hair. I'm definitely going to order some more. There's a piece of white hair right here. So, why is there lint in here? I don't understand. Alrighty. This is not enough hair. I gotta order some more hair. I'm gonna buy some more hair. Yeah, so there's not that much hair left. So I definitely like this hair, and I'm gonna order some more. So let's see where I got it from. I got it from Legacy Locs, and it was $35. Yeah, I'm gonna order some more because I really like it. Okay, so let me go ahead and get started. I'm gonna play some music, and then that's it. So I'll come back on camera and show you guys what I end up doing, okay? Stay tuned. right.